you to know this morning, they stood before the Sanhedrin, and they said, you who call yourselves doctors of the law, are you hearing me? Those with your degree, and those of you who say you know everything about the law, took the Son of God and nailed him to a tree. Somebody say amen. And the Bible said they were cut in their heart. Somebody say the conviction rose up, and these men, they got afraid, and they said, what are you saying? The people will turn on us. When we bring sin to the attention of people, conviction must come. Somebody say amen. But we're preaching messages without conviction, and we're preaching messages made to motivate